Welcome back to One More Guru. Today we're looking at the Respirex choking emergency device and what you should know before buying. This product is designed for one very specific situation, choking emergencies. It uses suction to help remove an obstruction from the airway, and the site emphasizes how quickly and easily it can be used. It's marketed for families, caregivers, or anyone wanting extra peace of mind at home or while traveling. The device itself is compact and portable, with clean, professional packaging and clear images that make it easy to understand what you're buying. There are also multiple purchase options and bundles, which is helpful if you want more than one device. That said, while the presentation is polished and the marketing focuses on convenience and speed, the site doesn't clearly show independent certifications or regulatory approvals on the main page. Most of the confidence comes from customer reviews and mentions of professional approval rather than verifiable third-party validation. So, while the Respirex choking emergency device looks like a well-defined and potentially useful tool, it's wise to do a little extra research before relying on it in real emergencies, and keep expectations realistic about its effectiveness. Thanks for watching One More Guru. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and safety tips.